Hi everybody, my name is Natalie Petro and today I'm going to show you this page called conversationstarters.com, and it works in order to practice English, and it is a task, the first task on my English 3 course. So the random questions that I get is, when you were younger, what do you want to be when you grow up? So these questions remind me that when I was a child, I always sang those TV show songs that I watched with my family, and I sing it aloud. My mother at that time rented the second floor in a house, so my neighbors can listen to me, and I know that. I knew that if I started to sing near to the stairs, they will listen to me. So I early in the morning every day started to sing until one day the neighborhood, she came to me and told me, please no more, we are tired, you wake up all the family with your singing show, so please stop it. I did it. It was embarrassing, but I joined to the Christmas choir, and we sang Christmas songs in the central park of my town. Until one day, the teacher told me that I was being selected to be the first voice for a song, and I was really, really happy for that. The day that I will do my performance, it started to rain, and the electric installations that they have made get some trouble. So the teacher told me, this microphone it doesn't work well. You can feel a little of electricity on it. So if you want, you can sing, but if you want, you have not to do it. And I choose not to do it because I was nervous and scared. When I go to the high school, I I joined to another course, and I signed in a lot of contests where I always get the first prize. That is not because I am a real good singer, but because of the others singers were not too good. Now that I'm working as a script writer and I generate content for multi-platforms, for web, for TV series and other environments, I have had the opportunity of sing a lot of songs that I write. A lot of those are in the television or in successful web pages. So I can say that in one way I get my dream, but it doesn't happen completely because my dream was or consists of singing in front of a lot of people that sing my songs. Well, that is my answer. I hope you enjoyed my story and thank you for watching.